Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So I am out in the field. It's not really a field. I'm out in the hood. Over here at Wagner's Classic. Hey, what do you guys call this place now? Wagner's Classic something or other?
Dick Wagner Dyno Service.
It's still Dick Wagner Dyno Service? Where's the dyno?
Still the same.
Where's the dyno?
Where's be over there?
Anyway, so the dyno walks and talks now. His name is Reed. Either way, all they work on over here is pretty much just cool vintage cars, and then piece of crap turbo station wagons. So is that the real butternut? Is that what it's supposed to look like? It's not that far off, I guess. Either way, we've been working on this. What year is it? 69? 69. FYI, if this was a 69 hardtop or T-top, I don't know if they made the T-top, but be the only year that the back window was removable was 1969.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I only learned that when I was like 16 or 17 years old, and it's stuck with me ever since. Anyway, so this thing is it's pretty decent. Hold on, let me zoom in on the
NCRS.
Yeah, it's pretty decent of a car. Anyway, these guys called me with some issues with the windshield wiper, actuator, tray, wiper, hider thing. I don't know what all it's called. Hey Jeff, are you hopping in and start it up?
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, you can't. You're doing the wiper. You're doing the thing right now. It's okay.
Sorry about that.
Either way, we took the thing all apart, down to every nut, every bolt, every bushing. Took every piece out, put it all back together, adjusted it correctly. And who would have ever thought that it would work? But we put it all back together and it worked. Works awesome.
You know, we got to get this thing together, dude. It's got to go in the video.
Oh yeah, we'll get it in the video. So Jeff is putting in the dressing. He's putting the dressing back on. All the cool ass chrome, I don't know, distributor stash. Why would they even do that?
I think they did it for noise suppression.
Oh yeah, that makes
Something
sense.
like that.
All that so you don't hear it on the radio?
Uh-huh.
All right, cool. All
I
right.
think that was the reasoning.
Either way, all the sheet metal was taken off of the distributor. And we put it all back together now. Fire this thing up. Yeah, it was fun working on this thing. We had to use stuff like fender covers and be careful. I took my watch off. I feel a little cold right now.
It was a little bit terrifying, just a little bit.
Anyway, so yeah, usually lots of cool stuff over here. Corvette. Cool little truck. Hey, why is there a brand new Ford in your driveway, dude? Is that even allowed?
Turbo upgrades.
It's a diesel too.
Diesel. I didn't know you guys were diesel mechanics. Anyway, he's got it all put back together. We found a couple of things going on. So it's on now. Go ahead and turn that wiper switch. There we go. Look at that. You can see the mechanism working down inside there. That's all controlled by that little micro button right down there. Is a vacuum switch. This is all vacuum actuated. Shut her down. It parks the wipers and then closes that little thing. Unless, wait, don't shut it up. Unless you want to change the windshield wiper blades, at which point you turn it on, and then under the dashboard, it looks like a radio volume knob. You turn that, and it stops the wipers up on the windshield, so you can swap out the, turn it back on, so you can swap out the blades without scratching the paint and making a big fuss out of everything.
The cowl won't close.
Right.
The cowl won't close because the wipers aren't
The
parked.
wipers are not in the park position, pressing the little micro switch out or the vacuum switch out there. So it's pretty awesome.
It really is.
FYI, neither of us knew anything about windshield wipers on the 69 Vettes when this party started. And now we are the
experts.
we are the foremost authority.
Yes.
Wait a minute, I just forgot most of it. Anyway. All right, you guys, thanks a lot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me, Mobile Tech Lucky, Joey, J Camp.
Yep.
J Camp. And what's you guys' social
We
media?
don't have one.
What?
Facebook. Go to Facebook. Dick Wagner Dyno Service.
Yeah, find these guys and
Thank you.
just send them pictures of dumb stuff. Burning cars. Thanks, you guys. See you later. Bye, Reed.